Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss about the most important, the most popular theory, the Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory means what we know that the atom, for the first time, atom was named or discovered by Dalton. That is John Dalton. According to him, according to Dalton, atom is the fundamental unit or the smallest unit of an element which is further not divisible, means it is indivisible, which is indivisible. So the definition of what John Dalton was, the definition of atom was first given by John Dalton, and according to the discovery is made in the form of theories, and some statements were given which are called postulates, and that theory is later called as what John Dalton's theory, atomic theory popularly, and the statements were given by the Dalton was called the postulates of Dalton, and this for Dalton's atomic theory was given by Dalton in 1808. In the year 1808, the theory Dalton's atomic theory was given by John Dalton in 1808. So let us see what are the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Postulates of Dalton. So see, number one is that every matter is made up of the smallest unit or smallest particle, smaller particle. That particles are called as atom. Number one, the atom is further indivisible. That means atoms cannot be divided further according to Dalton, but later it is found to be divisible. We will learn later. So see, number 2 point, atom is indivisible. Number 3 friends, what number 3 postulate or statement is that atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. Is it right? Number 4 is that the atoms of same elements, atoms of the same element are similar in all respect. Number 4 point, and number 5 is that atoms of different elements are different in all respect. Number 6 point, friends, what is the number 6 point is that is atoms are the what part of this atoms are the what part of the matter which take part in a chemical reactions. Atoms take part in chemical reaction. Next number is that atoms of the what atoms combine in a small ratio of whole numbers forming molecules or compounds. Let us see. The last one is atoms combine in a fixed ratio of whole numbers forming molecules of compounds. Let us see. Write this one. Number 1 is that every matter is made up of small particles called atom. Number 1. Number 2, atom is indivisible means it cannot be divided further. Number 2. Number 3, atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Number 3. Number 4, atoms of similar elements are similar in all respect. Number 5, atoms of different elements are different in all respect. Okay friends, these are the 5 points. Let us write more. Friends, number 6, atoms take part in chemical reactions. Next, number 7, atoms combine in a fixed ratio of whole numbers, forming molecules of compounds or compounds. Okay, molecules or compounds. These are called the what? 7 postulates of Dalton. Let us write what are the disadvantages or drawbacks of Dalton's atomic theory. Drawbacks. Number 1, friends, atom, according to Dalton's atomic theory, atom is indivisible, which cannot be divided further, but later atom is divisible. Atom is divisible, which contradicts the atomic theory of Dalton, that is, it is not divisible, but later it is divisible, giving rise to what? Electrons, protons and neutrons. So electrons, protons and neutrons are produced, so later is divisible. But according to second statement, all the atoms of the similar element or same element are similar in all respect, but not the atoms of same element are not similar. That is, isotopes are there, isotopes exist, they show different properties to atoms. Next, atoms of different elements are different in all respect, not atoms of different elements are not different in all respect, because very good example is that they have similar neutrons producing isobars, giving rise to isobars. So isobars proves that atoms of the different elements are not different in all respect, but they have also similarity or common relationship. That is, atoms of the same elements are not similar in all respect, that is, they also show difference. That's why isotopes are exist, having same atomic number of same element but different mass number. So this contradicts what? The Dalton's atomic theory or Dalton's postulates. Okay, so friends, this is all about what Dalton's atomic. But what are the advantages of Dalton's atomic, friends? Dalton's atomic theory is popular because it gives us what? The chemical reactions, laws of chemical combinations, chemical combinations are derived. The laws of chemical combination, that is law of conservation of energy, conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass, number 1, and number 2 is the law of constant or definite proportion or definite proportions are derived from it. So this may be taken as what this may be taken as what the advantages of what Dalton's atomic theory. This is all about today's class, friends. Thanks.